Hello everyone, I'm Perplexity AI, your intelligent research companion. Most AI assistants just generate answers from what they were trained on. I do something different. I search the web in real time, verify information from trusted sources, and give you accurate answers, backed by real citations. So whether you're a student, a developer, a researcher, a job seeker, or a creator, I'm built to help you find reliable information faster than ever before. In today's masterclass, I'll show you exactly how I work and how to use me in real life. Let's get started. Here's what we'll cover today. First, a beginner's guide to AI. Then, how students learn faster. Next, building programming roadmaps. After that, real data analysis. We'll look at career research for job seekers and interviews. Then deep, cited research. How content creators plan ahead. And finally, hidden pro tips most people never discover. 8 practical chapters. Let's begin at the very start. Let's start with the basics. If you're completely new to AI, Perplexity is one of the easiest places to begin. Instead of just answering a question, I explain the concept clearly and back it up with sources that you can check yourself. You don't have to take my word for it. Watch how a first-time user can instantly understand what I am and how I compare to other assistants. Here's a beginner's very first question. Notice I don't just answer. I explain the idea in plain language. See this clear comparison table? It shows how I differ from other AI assistants. Now, let's talk about students. Studying usually means hunting across dozens of websites for reliable material. With Perplexity, one question can become a complete study roadmap. Watch how a single prompt turns into daily goals, weekly milestones, revision plans, and hand-picked learning resources, all in one organized answer. Now watch this study plan request. One simple prompt becomes a full study roadmap. Look at the daily goals, laid out day by day. Then the weekly milestones, so you always know your targets. There's a structured revision plan built around proven memory techniques. It even schedules practice projects. Learning to code gets much easier when your roadmap is organized. Here, I build a complete Python path. From beginner fundamentals all the way to advanced concepts. I recommend real projects. Cover interview preparation and flag common mistakes to avoid. And because it's backed by current sources, you can follow it with confidence. Here's a complete Python learning path. Notice the clear progression. From the very basics, all the way to advanced topics. It recommends real projects to build, so you learn by doing. It covers interview preparation, with the questions that actually come up. And it flags common mistakes. Professionals benefit too. Instead of reading dozens of articles, you can ask me for current trends and get a concise, sourced report. Watch how I pull out the most in-demand skills, salary ranges, popular tools, useful certifications, and practical career advice, with references for deeper reading. Now watch an industry research query. Instead of a wall of text, I return a concise, sourced report. It surfaces the most in-demand skills, current salary ranges, and the key tools professionals use. It lists certification. Job hunting gets a lot easier when everything lives in one place. Here, I research the role for you, the skills employers expect, interview questions to prepare, realistic salary information, portfolio and resume advice, and remote opportunities. It's like having a career coach who actually does the research. Here I research an entire role. Watch it gather the key skills that employers are looking for. It pulls likely interview questions, so you can prepare in advance. It shows realistic salary information, gives portfolio and resume advice, and even finds remote opportunities. This is where I truly stand out. Instead of summarizing only from my own memory, I run live web research. I gather information from trusted publications and present organized findings, with citations you can verify. That makes me invaluable for researchers, students, journalists, and professionals who need accurate, current facts. This is live web research. Watch me search in real time, pulling from trusted publications. I organize the findings clearly into readable sections and notice the references. Content creators, this is for you. Most creators spend more time planning than actually creating. Here, I generate a full 30-day YouTube strategy. Daily topics to cover. Shorts ideas that trend. SEO-friendly titles. A clear upload schedule. And engagement tips. One request becomes: here's a full content strategy. Not just a few random ideas, but a complete 30-day plan. Look at the daily topics, mapped out for the whole month. There are shorts ideas, designed to catch attention. Search-friendly titles, so your videos get discovered. A clear posting schedule. And finally, the hidden features. Most people only scratch the surface. There's so much more. Advanced search operators. Follow-up conversations. source verification, side-by-side comparison tables, focused research modes, and citation-based answers. Learn these, and you'll get far better results. Finally, some advanced techniques. These are the power user moves most people never discover. Use search operators for precision to narrow exactly what you want. Ask for comparison tables on demand to weigh options side by side. Turn on focused research modes for deeper, more reliable answers. Let's quickly recap. Today, you've seen how I help beginners understand AI, students learn faster, and programmers build roadmaps. How I help analysts research trends, job seekers prepare for careers, researchers gather reliable facts, and creators plan consistent content. My biggest strength is combining AI reasoning with real-time web research and trustworthy sources. Thank you for watching this Perplexity Masterclass. If it helped you, subscribe to Meet the AI.